Hey guys, and welcome to the Nash House. So, over the weekend, we made some cookies, different kinds, but this is always going to be the base ingredients that you use for your chocolate chip cookies. Uh, let's get to it. All right, so we're using our sifter over a medium sized bowl to combine all of our dry ingredients that were listed at the beginning of the base recipe. This will cause for all of the flour, the baking soda, and the salt to be blended properly. So our butter has been softened on 2 minutes in the microwave on defrost. We're going to add now the sugar, the brown sugar, and the vanilla extract. So we have our KitchenAid mixer on the setting between 4 and 6. You don't want it up too high because you want to make sure that the butter creams together with the brown sugar and the vanilla extract.
Like flour.
Since it's blending well, we're going to increase the speed to 6 just to get it nice and blended. And this is how the consistency should look. Now we're going to add 2 large eggs, but you have to add them one at a time. And they should be at room temperature. So before you get all of your ingredients together, make sure you take your 2 large eggs out of the refrigerator so they can kind of chill down. Now we still have our setting on 6 to whip up these eggs just to make sure that it's blended nice and neatly. Look at the consistency. You can see that it's changing and becoming a little bit more silk. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. So when you turn the mixer on, you want to make sure that you turn it on a really low setting, like 2, to mix in your dry ingredients because it will get messy. And once you start seeing it actually blend well, you can try to speed it up. But as you see, it gets messy. The flour's flying everywhere. But look at the consistency of this dough. Oh my God, it looks delicious. All right, now it's time for our chocolate chips. Since this is a regular size bag, we're going to use the whole bag. The recipe calls for 2 pounds. This is exactly 2 pounds. Now, this is how you're going to make just your regular chocolate chip cookies. The setting has to be on low, so on 2, just to make sure that you mix around those semi-sweet morsels. But we're not just going to make regular chocolate chip cookies. We're going to do some really creative things. Let's take a look. So for our base ingredients, we're going to do at least 2 rows of regular chocolate chip cookies. The next row, though, we are going to make some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. And then we're going to make some chocolate chip cookies with white chocolate. And then we have some more creative ideas. I mean, you could just do anything with this base recipe, guys. Get creative. Do whatever moves you. But this base recipe for chocolate chip cookies is going to be your best bet to switch it up and make some delicious cookies. Oh my God, and they are done. And my house smells immaculate. Look at these peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Oh, look at the white chocolate chip cookies. But I got some more. Hold on. So I did something funky, guys. I mixed the white chocolate, the regular chocolate chips, and Oreos. Oh my God, they are good. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you use this base recipe to come up with your own creative ideas for chocolate chip cookies. Our family absolutely, positively loved this recipe. Until next time, welcome to the Nash House. We'll see you soon.